Okay, Aurelia versus Commodore Guff. Commodore Guff. Is he Guff enough? Is he tough enough? Is he rough enough for you? Commodore Guff.
We'll see.
Yeah, that we will. Alright, I mulligan one. Doing alright.
Okay, I'll keep this.
Okay, I'll play some land and go. Your turn.
Command tower. Go.
Slow start. Planes. Signet. Done.
Mystic Gate. Go.
Mystic what? Mystic Gate? You're playing that bullshit?
Oh, it's a precon. I did not pick this.
Huh. Okay. I will play other planes. I'll play Lena and War Leader, and it's your turn. So when this bastard attacks, I create 2 white kitty cats with lifelink that are also attacking.
Interplanar Beacon. Whenever I cast a Planeswalker, I gain a life.
Okay.
No, I will cast something. I just have to choose what is actually useful in this moment.
Arcane Signet.
If I had that, that would be nice. I would have cast that the turn before. Let's put in Gatewatch Beacon. It comes in with 3 loyalty counters, and whenever a Planeswalker comes onto the battlefield under my control, I can move a loyalty counter from the Gatewatch Beacon onto the Planeswalker, and it also taps for them.
Okay, I'm going to assume you're done.
Do you have sealed decks?
What do you mean similar decks?
Sealed.
No.
6.
No, because you don't like voting.
What?
No, because you don't like voting. Oh, you mean
Sealed? Yeah.
Oh, that the Aurelia, yeah.
So yeah, we can try.
Okay.
Like one game. I want to.
I brought mine.
I'll attack you for 6.
Okay.
I gain 2 life because of my kitty cats.
6.
And then I will Rebel Master. Your turn. Oh, Emma says happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. Yeah.
Okay. Mountain.
I didn't see much Lego at your house. Nerds need Lego.
Kazul, Tyrant of the Cliffs. Whenever a creature an opponent controls attacks, if I'm the defender, I create a free ogre creature token, unless you pay 3.
Yep. My turn?
Yep.
Play land. That's 2, 5. Mother goblins have to
Это Берин
attack.
Кофелу просто.
So how do I want to do that? Okay. So Legion Loyalist. He's got Battalion. When he and at least 2 other creatures attack, creatures of the control gain first strike and trample until in turn it can't be blocked by creature tokens. I'll spend 2.
Do you have Battle Cry creatures in this deck?
Huh?
I think it will fit pretty well. Battle Cry, do you know ability Battle Cry?
Yeah.
You should put Battle Cry stuff.
I've got one of them. So our attack is a Loyalist, the War Leader, these 2, and I get a Goblin from the Rebel Master.
You pay any extra mana?
Yes.
Okay, so how many ogres will I get?
Wait, I'm not hearing shit. You're gonna get a whole bunch, so screw it. You get 1, 2, 3. Well, how does he read?
Whenever a creature attacks, so that will be per creature.
So it won't count the ones that are come in after. So you'll get 1, 2. These won't attack, but the next 2 will. So you get 2. And I'll make it 1.
So 1 ogre.
Here's my Goblin from the Rebel Master. Here's my attacking kitty cats.
And Rebel Master is like 5-2.
Yeah, I should have attacked them, but I didn't. Oh, well, I didn't think about it. Alright, so they all have first strike and trample. And these kitty cats have lifelink.
Okay, let's say 4. I guess I'll eat the 2 cats.
Okay. So you take 4, 5, 6.
I don't know why you didn't kill this Loyalist who will be giving this shit again and again.
I don't know why you're getting him ideas. He knows what he's doing.
Oh, that was also attacking. Okay.
Yes, but
He
it
has to
actually
attack
triggers.
because Red Master.
Yeah, and he only triggers when he attacks, so he wouldn't get it if he's not attacking.
Oh, how much?
So 4, 5, 6.
6.
Your turn.
Symbolize the district.
So only planeswalkers or creatures as well. Creatures.
The boat floats, by the way, so you can play with it when you're taking your bath.
So what?
The boat, it floats, so you can play with it when you're taking your bath.
I didn't have a bath.
Oh.
We have a shower.
Oh, well. When you go to some hot tub with your wife, you can take it and you can play with the boat.
Honorborn Shaku. 4. Jace, Architect of Thought. And I will move one of these to him. So that's 5. And I will +1 him. 6, so until my next turn, whenever a creature an opponent controls attacks, it gets -1, -0 until end of turn.
Okay.
And I gain 1 life because I cast a Planeswalker. Okay, your turn.
Alright. Okay. 2, 4, 6. I'm going to play Planeswalker. Elfa, Sun's Champion.
Do you have also our leader's call?
Yes. Yep. So she comes into play, and I will neg-3 her, destroy our creature's power forward girder. Destroy our creature's power forward girder. Oh. Yeah.
Do you have more than one?
Nope. Okay.
I just thought that he was going to target something.
No, it's just so.
So all the goblins have to attack, even though this gets neg-1. Oh, I get another. I missed it last time. Is it May? Or I have to?
I mean, when you miss triggers, you just like.
So this time I'm remembering. So after I attack, I get another goblin. That's also attacking. So he's 2, 3, 4, 5. The cats are not attacking. He'll attack Jace, and your creature tokens cannot block because of him.
They cannot block anything.
Nope. Okay. So Jace goes down to 1.
Down to what?
1. Okay. Your turn?
Just one? Wait,
Because these are all neg-1, and they're all 1/1s.
yeah, but he's
2, 3, 4, 5.
but cats are.
Yeah. But the cats aren't attacking. So if he tries to come back with that token, I can get him.
How many creatures do you have?
Tapped or untapped, or do you care?
Total.
2, 4, 6.
Okay, I will cast Blasphemous Act.
Okay. My turn?
No, I still have plenty of mana. Or if I bring in the commander, I will these. 6. I gain 1 life. I +1 Jace. Can't do much else.
What's the +1?
Attack whenever the creature an opponent controls attacks, it gets -1 power.
Okay.
That's his +1. Okay, I will +1 Guff. I will get a wizard. I go into the end step, and Guff triggers and puts a loyalty counter on up to 1 Planeswalker.
Okay. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, +1 Elspeth. I get 3 1/1 white soldiers. Look, they're Czech soldiers. I'll bring up Aurelia. She'll smack Jace twice, killing him.
But I can block it.
She's flying.
Ah, she's flying. Okay.
And it's your turn.
Sahili. So whenever I cast a non-creature spell, I create a servo. And I can -2 her.
Leanders with additional counter?
I used this trigger to put what was stored there. I can -2 her to target artifact I control becomes a copy of another artifact or creature I control.
Ano. No, tak jsem tam byl v bordelu a to bylo 2022. Jsem šel s kámošem, do práce, dobrý, fajn, už po pár minut. Když jsem vlastně neměl co nebyl, říkám, tam, tak jsem dělal jsem přišel, že
Spelleren.
I haven't seen him for a long time.
I mean, they just put, it's like placeholder deck, so we put just all...
-1 him to draw a card.
Yep. I didn't put like Mind Sculptor.
Or Sworn Markov. No, it can't be Sworn Markov because it's
Tap him
blue, red, white.
to untap the Shaku. I get a servo because that was a...
You see the Shaku? What is it?
Yeah.
It's like...
Oh, okay.
Servo and I get a life.
I have it in... Yakada. I also have like... There is new which taps also for any color, but the same way, but I'm not sure if it's for permanent, maybe it's only for creatures.
Talisman of Creativity.
So you get two servos, yeah? Or three?
Yeah, and another servo. 2 so far.
But what you cast?
This... No, the first...
Did you cast? Or which
No,
was it?
I untapped. This was already on the field. I will -3 Guff.
Shows what?
I will draw X cards and he will deal X damage to each opponent where X is the number of planeswalkers I control. That's 1, 2, 3.
Já jsem nešetřil, vole. Takhle hromadu. Začal mydlit, to říkám na okolí, tak jo. Tak jsou pořád na minulost, takhle. Úplně nemám říkám, si určitě našel majitel peněz, a tam ničeho nevím, vole. Jak je pravda, tak já to říkám. Tak jsem asi urečka, tak jo, tady to mi říkal. No, tady to, že vlastně miliony,
3, 4, Nahiri, Harbinger, 4, servo, life.
A teďka vole, ještě on blíkne, jo, tak vole, tak Rakešla mě blíkla, vole, jak mě komputerovalo, vole. Máme další diskusy s lidmi.
But you might... Ah, okay.
Plus 2 her. Discard Temple of Enlightenment, draw a card. Haven't played a land yet this turn. Plains.
Unfortunately, you cannot play Elder Spell in your deck. Just 2 mana and get rid of all planeswalkers.
Okay, and that's my turn.
Okay.
Ty jsi výborný.
Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5. Aurelia is above, so both Aurelias. What is her neg 2?
Exile target permanent tapped artifact or tapped creature.
Oh, cat. All right. Fair enough. Okay, so the 2 Aurelias will attack Guff, and these 3 guys will attack...
They are -1 because of...
No, I get rid of him.
Oh, you no, but
He's dead. Died from combat damage last turn.
Yes.
It's different.
okay, yeah, you're right.
And these 3 will attack... Oh, Nahili.
Which one are flying and which one are not?
These 2 are flying.
There's trigger on attack.
Yep, and I draw a card.
And you lightning Phillips, you lose 3 life.
No, that's it with 5... Yeah, 5 more creature, okay.
You can
Well, it's a new card, I haven't played it before.
The cats
Yes,
are...
you take 3 and I gain 3 life.
The cats are 1/1s?
It's not the cats, yeah, it's soldiers. But
These are Czech soldiers.
Yeah, they'll be blocked by servos.
You're gonna kill the Czech soldiers?
Yeah.
Jesus.
You send them to fight the servos.
Fucking Slovaks.
but he's not.
Okay, so you kill Guff.
Yep.
And how much do I take to my face?
None yet. So second attack, only have 2 creatures. They both will kill... Don't hit you in here. Yeah, they're both... Well, let's see. So she destroys tap things. And negate, you search. So I'm probably not worried about that.
This creates blockers basically.
On the ground. Okay. Yeah, I'll kill her.
Okay.
And then I'll create 3 more Czech soldiers to replace the ones that you callously killed with robots. And it's your turn.
Okay.
I've never had her play before.
And by the way, it's only triggers not only on your creatures. If he will attack with 3 creatures, you will also draw a card.
Yep. Yep, she's pretty cool. I like this table that does a hook for my bag.
Bring him back.
Okay.
There is also a new artifact which can make planeswalker a creature. So you cannot attack it.
And there's the Elspeth enchantment.
There's also a planeswalker that turns himself and other planeswalkers into creatures.
No, with Sarkhan, I know. It's like but it's not permanent. It's only until end of turn.
But there's an enchantment that gives you enchant a planeswalker and it gets this +1 Elspeth ability to create soldiers.
Oh yeah, it's also different. Whereas like Liliana's ability is -8.
Okay, I haven't yet activated any planeswalker, but
Nope.
okay, tap to 1 tap. Sure. 2, 3.
By the way, you could probably activate your mobilized district for free last turn and block with it. It's like free.
Does it block flying?
No, not flying, yeah, but he can, I don't know, save service.
Ebro Skate, I double the counters. A bigger die. So let's say 12. This is a 10.
Já jsem byla mimo.
It dies 0. State-based effect.
Have it your way if you don't like the number.
No, it's already died yours because you didn't resolve it like properly, so it's died by static effect. You cannot just change.
Nice try. No. Okay. I will -3 Guff, so that goes to 7. I draw 3 cards, you take 3 damage.
Okay.
Ale já jsem na to jsem viděl.
-1. This. Yeah, I'll -8 this, but I have no idea what I'm looking for.
What does it search it for equipment?
Artifact or creature card.
I can search for you if you want to find it. This is that chain well, yes. Do you have like if you have 6 mana Teferi, you can just go infinite. But not if it's not a commander actually. You have to go.
Let's not prolong this too much.
You're going to do anything else?
Oh yeah, now I can activate all my planes.
No, you have to like actually because you need to get mana for it. Do you have like you need 4 mana, yeah? I believe.
Okay, I don't know, so I will search for something else then because.
Let me maybe help you to search something. If you don't know your deck, I can.
Oh, this is the first time I'm playing it.
I mean, this can be good. This is probably the best versus Tony's deck. Only one creature can attack.
Yeah, but at the beginning of the end step, it goes into my hand.
It goes to my hand.
To mine.
No, his hand, not your hand.
Fucking,
his hand.
it's ultimate. Like, it's an ultimate ability.
Yeah.
Like, serious.
That's why she's only a couple euros.
It's ultimate ability and goes back to your hand.
Yep.
When it's like, I don't know, when it doesn't matter probably. Yeah. But did you attack already? No, you have.
No, not yet.
It's only creature artifact.
I don't know, you can tutor for lands, but it's... if it just goes back to your hand, it's pretty shitty, I don't know. You cannot untap this probably. I mean, probably still this you can, you can play it next turn a Chain Veil. You can replay it next turn. It depends what you're afraid more. This can help you to prevent combat damage, but it's not on this turn. With this you will take 2 additional damage with turn. Oh no. No, you activate it, so I mean, yeah, probably this too. But it's stupid, you have to bounce it back.
Did you find something? I want to attack you.
Yeah, I think Narset. That might be able to do something.
Okay. So she's into your turn, goes back in your hand.
Oh yeah, but she gains haste.
Okay.
So I will attack with her.
Okay.
First strike hexproof, but whenever she attacks, I exile the top 4 cards from my library. Until the end of my turn, I may cast non-creature spells from among those cards without paying their mana cost.
Okay, so go ahead and do that.
Do you have to reveal this card?
No, it does not say so.
I'm just going to read her. Okay.
Okay. So do you block her or?
Well, I'm waiting to see if you make her bigger. You have to, you cast them.
No, you have to cast it until end of turn. You can cast
Okay.
it.
So yes, I blocked the Aurelia, the law above. I blocked the 4/4.
Okay, so she dies. And now I can cast this without well-known creatures. Okay, that's okay, I cast Elspeth. Let's see. 4. Those are
1/1s, and yours are 1/1s. If you decide to plus her.
yeah. I will. Cool card, but not in this moment. Oh, okay, Elf in. It's just different order. First, Oath of Gideon. It will create a token, but each planeswalker I control enters the battlefield with an additional loyalty counter. Now, Elspeth. 5. And I will +1 her. I'm doing things out of order, but that's right. Life. And now the soldiers and the allies. Three soldiers. And 2 allies. And this just goes into exile.
Okay.
Or stays permanently in exile because I cannot cast it.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
Okay.
Did you gain life as well? I believe when you attacked me. Because I believe he was. I remember he was reducing.
1, 2, 3. thinking. Okay, Chiron negotiations. I could tap an untapped creature I control to deal 1 damage to target opponent. Okay, target player. Let's see. We've got a lot of blockers on the ground. Do you have anything that flies or anything with reach?
No.
Okay, so the 2 Aurelias attack you.
Okay.
So that's 7.
Okay, I'll take the 7.
Okay. The 2 Aurelias attack you again.
Já to budu jako já mám se spáru pomáhání, já mám malý.
So another 7?
Yes.
So another 7, right?
Yo. And it's your turn. My 2 platoons. There's Aurelia's platoon and there's Aurelia's platoon.
I mean, you're dead if you want to wipe the board.
My hand is complete shit, but I can draw a lot of cards. So.
Yeah, but like if you will pass turn, you are dead.
Yep.
Yeah. So I have to do weird shit. One for color. This is a legendary. I can tap that to tap untap. This as well. Flux channeler. When I cast a non-creature spell, I proliferate. Two arcane signet. So there's a non-creature spell, proliferate. I forgot his trigger, but
Well, it's through your turn, so you can remember it.
yes, I would put one more on her.
I mean, like you already don't need it.
Oh no, it's a card nobody plays. It's a shit card. Even this pocket, old foil, right? It was 150 crowns. This is such a crap card.
Okay, I -3 Guff.
Alright?
So you take 4 damage, and I draw 4 cards.
Čekáš, tebe to.
Já se nepotřebuji dát čas dělat. Ne, pak to by mělo fakt ty jsi byl pak nevíš.
Jakože občas jako se extrémy, ale já si říkám, že říkám si,
ne, kdyby to bylo fakt
2, 3. Four. Minerals disc. It was stabbed, but I proliferate. Goes up to 9. Goes to 6. I -7 this to get the emblem.
Okay.
The emblem. My creatures fly now.
+2/+2, yep.
Yep. Grateful apparition.
So whenever it deals combat damage. Okay. You're not going to be able to use that, so.
Resco's Explorer, I don't think you have more lands than me.
Nope.
So, nothing. It's just there.
That's a negative, Ghost Rider. I only have 5 lands. I have 5 lands and a Signet.
I mean, like, kinda, if you really trying to do something, like, you don't have to just spam your hand. If you cannot really interact, you just can concede, because, like, what's the point of playing all of this if he will just kill you next turn?
At the end of the turn, you're going to take 8 damage unless you do something wrong with creatures and counter negotiations. And then, as soon as I untap, I will kill you.
Yeah, man, I understand he was drawing card or something, but what's the point for this? Like,
well, my creatures fly, I can attack them.
But
so the question is, how many flyers well, these were already on the field.
Yes, but it's like 15 damage. It would not kill Tony.
I can still keep drawing cards.
Yeah, but like when draw cards don't play this, which does nothing right now to you not losing the game. You can also activate this, but it still will be not enough to kill Tony. It will be like 5/5 flyer. Like 20.
Let me count.
Yep.
Okay, so I cast this this turn. So it's 3, 5.
Just stack with everything you can, see what happens.
Yeah, just everything that can attack will attack. So it's 3 soldiers, 3 core allies, Deep Ghost Skate, Wizard.
Do they have vigilance?
No, yeah, they're a little bit happy. And I will also turn this into a 3/3.
How much does it cost you to do it?
It's reduced by legendary.
It's a little bit, so it's 0. I have plenty of legendaries.
This is a 3/3.
5/5.
5/5.
I'm not counting that yet. This is the 3/3.
Yeah, and that's also a 3/3.
That's 5. That's 9.
These two are bigger. These ones.
I believe it wouldn't kill you even if you don't block. But
Yeah, that's what I'm making sure. So 10, 13, 19.
But you can trade Aurelia anyway. It's not you just tap them and you kill without.
Plus 9. Okay, the 3 soldiers, I will block.
They fly?
They all fly.
Okay, they're all flying. That's right, I forgot.
You can block with Aurelia.
Yeah, this is 10. This is 14. No, plus 2, yeah.
This
So
should be 15 together.
Okay, 15, 10, 25, 27. So,
Should be 28, I think.
okay, so I'll block.
By the way, it triggered Aurelia, it deals 3 damage to you.
That's
and
right.
you gain 3
Free
life.
life.
And you also draw a card.
Yeah. Thanks. Man, she's doing shit. Okay. So that's 28 points of damage.
I mean, it's kind of she like allow also like command like everything going on battlefield design.
So that's 28 damage.
Yeah.
How many cards do you have in your hand?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And you have 3 mana
I'm
open.
pretty sure like yeah, Planeswalker deck not very.
And can any of these do direct damage to me? He can make you draw cards and it does damage to
He
me, right?
already did it.
Yeah, he already did that this turn.
Okay, so I will block This 3/3 with Aurelia law buff.
The land 3/3 or
This 3/3.
this 3/3. Okay.
Yeah, he's actually a 5/5. I'm not blocking him.
I mean, but you can.
So instead of
just-
28, I'm taking 25, so I'm at 5 life.
Safest, you can just block biggest flyers with both Aurelias. Before combat damage, you deal damage from them, and you just won after your.
Are you done?
Let's try if I can discard a card.
Okay.
Draw a card. That's plus 2 here. Should have done that before, but you wanted me to attack. But
You're only at 7 life?
well, yeah.
Yes, but
Really? Why? I thought you were at...
because.
Oh, you're dead.
Oh, so yeah, now
You're dead.
you actually was in response even before.
Yeah, you're dead. Because I can tap all the creatures and deal
We
8
didn't
damage
want
to
you attack. We want you not to cast like useless spell which would not prevent you losing.
Well, but those useless things draw me a...
I was talking about like what he was casting this and this. It wasn't necessary to decide the game.
Okay. Carbon Negotiation is actually a good card.
When he has that many soldiers, you know, I expect that I want to have blockers.
So let's try sealed decks.
Sure.
Yeah.